Hi, my name is Arnav Kumar Upadhyay, and I'm a sophomore at Freedom High. And this is my first product that I'll be releasing to the world, the Lost and Found app. The inspiration for my app came from a very simple idea. Students lose items like bottles, hoodies, or even AirPods, but the process of finding them is messy and very inefficient. For example, I once lost my tennis kit and had to ask around to see if someone had turned it in. My app makes this process much quicker and way more organized. The purpose of my app is to make lost and found items easy to report and easy to return. The design is simple, so people only need to put in minimal effort. I built the front end with React Native plus Expo and styled it with Native Wind CSS. For the backend, I use Node.js, Express, and MongoDB with Mongoose for data storage. I also integrated Cloudinary for image uploads and JWT authentication for secure authentication and login. My target audience is students, parents, schools, and public offices. The app is simple enough for anyone to use, even if they're not tech savvy. In the future, it could also expand to colleges or community centers. Now I'll be showing my app. After installing the app, the person can open it up. They'll be taken to the Found page. A staff or coordinator can log in. After they log in, they'll be taken to the Profile page where they can report a lost item. They can fill in the necessary details of the item and take a picture of it. After they fill everything out, they can click Submit. Now the item appears in their profile page and in the Found page where students can view. A person can search for an item using the search bar by typing in the item name. They can specify their search by selecting a specific location. They can also report items if they think something is inappropriate. Also, they can contact the admin by clicking on the blue button in the bottom right. To prevent misuse, my app has secure logins with JWT authentication and bcrypt password hashing. This ensures that only verified users can interact with the system, making it harder for someone to post fake or harmful content. In the future, I want to add AI-powered item recognition to make this process even more seamless. For example, if someone uploads a photo of a hoodie, the app will automatically suggest the item category. This would make posting faster and more accurate. Thank you for watching.